My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class Convertible. This vehicle has done just over 65,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, you have voice control as a feature, as well as cruise control and our keyless ignition. On our screen, we can access navigation, radio and media, smartphone integration, and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as our roof latch. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.